iHydrant's remote monitoring technology for dry barrel hydrants give the utilities the insight to how events impact their water distribution system by providing real-time data and notifications of pressure and temperature alerts. This video will cover how to install a retrofit kit with pressure and temperature sensors on an existing M&H 129 hydrant. A typical install will take about 45 minutes. Your iHydrant retrofit contains lower valve sensor assembly, upper and lower stem, electronics, weather enclosure and battery, spool extension piece, hardware, and gel caps. Before installation, ensure that you have access to the iHydrant client website with installer credentials from your mobile device or smartphone. The tools required include maintenance tools to operate and disassemble a hydrant, including a hydrant valve seat removal tool, tubing cutter, T10 security screwdriver, pipe wrench, and gel cap crimping tool. Ensure all required industry, site, and local safety regulations are followed, including proper PPE. Locate the hydrant isolation valve and turn off the water supply. Begin by disassembling bonnet bolts and remove the bonnet. Unthread the valve seat, lift and carefully remove the valve stem. Carefully lower the retrofit stem sensor assembly into the nozzle section and avoid rolling the O-rings as you thread the seat ring into the drain by turning clockwise. Cut the tubing to the appropriate length. Install the stainless steel fitting into the tube. Thread the cable through the spool piece extension, using care not to kink or bend the cable. Mark the compression fitting at 6 and 9. Reattach the bonnet on the spool piece. Strip the wires. Using the UY2 gel caps to connect the wiring from the sensors to the board. Check for faults or nicks in the wiring. Before connecting the battery, follow the process to install the device and the software. All required fields must be completed. The device SIM number is marked on the packaging, as well as the circuit board cover. Ensure the hydrant is pressurized. Connect the battery. Ensure the cellular antenna is placed in an optimal position. Line the screw holes by pushing the two weather enclosures together and install the 3 security screws on both sides. Ensure there are no leaks. Welcome to iHydrant.